Well, it's Monday morning and this is our job for today. This is a Mercedes A-Class diesel. Is it a diesel?
Yeah.
It's a diesel, yeah.
Diesel.
So we should get some power out of this. It's a nice looking car. I love my Mercs. So, you excited for this one, Jason?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. It is Monday morning-ish. Even Richard's a bit Monday morning-ish. Are you feeling Monday morning-ish?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do an initial power run and see what she's putting out. And then we'll get map a lap in.
About 110 brake.
110 brake?
Maybe.
140.
What standard?
Yeah. Oh, come on, man. All Golfs, every VW that's ever been made starts off at 140 brake if it's a diesel. They were making Skoda Fabia VRSs 15 years ago with 130 brake. This has got to be 140.
No, you said about 110 still.
What? No wonder it wants mapping. Well, Jason was correct. That is underpowered and lackluster, and it's made 110 brake, and that has got to be slow. So we are going to try our best to make some power out of that and turn that into a car that's worth driving. My God, Mercedes. What is the point? That's all she wrote, and that's the best that we're going to get. Improved some flat spots there, obviously, as you can see. I made some power with the blue line, our map, and the red line is the original one. It was very lackluster to start with, so we got her up nearly 20 brake, but 45 foot-power torque, and hopefully that's going to move that along quite well. Fingers crossed that makes a vast improvement when driving it. It's the best it's getting, so there you go.